To make a bow for a Christmas tree topper. First, measure how long you want the tails of your bow to be. Then, cut 2 pieces of ribbon that are each twice that length. Find the halfway point along each ribbon and tie the ribbons together at those points with a pipe cleaner. Set the tails aside for now. Next, unspool more ribbon from the roll and make a loop near the end. Twist the ribbon at the base of the loop, then make another loop pointing in the opposite direction as the first one. At this point, your bow should resemble a bow tie. Twist the ribbon at the base of the loops, then make another loop that's pointing in a different direction than the first 2. Make this loop slightly bigger than the first 2. Twist the ribbon again, then make another loop of the same size pointing in the opposite direction. Do this 2 more times, so you have a total of 6 loops. Repeat the entire process, making 2 smaller loops, and then 4 bigger loops, as many times as you'd like, until your bow is the right size for your tree. Bring the final loop up out of the top of the bow and back down. Then, cut off the excess ribbon. Tie a pipe cleaner around the center of your bow to hold everything in place. Finally, tie the tails you made before to the pipe cleaner around the center of your bow. Secure your bow to the top of your Christmas tree using a pipe cleaner.